Hello again, guys.
Hi.
Hope you're again to join my collab now from Martina McBride, Valentine. If there were no words, no way to speak, I would still hear you. If there were no tears, no way to feel inside, I'd still feel for you. And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance went out alright, you'd still have my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine.
All of my life I have been waiting for. Oh, you gave it to me. You opened my eyes and showed me how to love and selflessly. I dreamed of just 1,000 signs before. In my dreams I thought I'd love you more. I will give you my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. Na, 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 na.
And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance went out of right, you would still have my heart until the end of time. 'Cause all I need is you, my Valentine. Oh, you're all I need, my love, my Valentine. Thank you again for joining my tweet cover, guys. Thank you very much. Happy Valentine's.